Call these businesses up and tell them we're out in the community, we need your help again. So please make sure you send some letters, be it the parent, you, I don't care. Write them. Today here at Fire Station 11 in Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department, we have numerous companies, businesses, local businesses here in Fairfax County, along with the firefighters, Fairfax County police officers, sheriffs. We came together to give out backpacks to needy kids here in Fairfax County. 15, 20 years ago, the firefighters were out running calls in different parts of Fairfax County, specifically the south end of Fairfax County. And we would see the kids at the bus stops with no backpacks. And we talked to teachers, we talked to schools, and they told us that we could help them by collecting backpacks with school supplies. What's nice to see is we get the same volunteers here. They come here and they help. They know to show up at between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. They know to unpack the backpacks out of the boxes. They know to start stuffing the supplies inside the backpacks to get them ready to hand out when the schools arrive. We take the teachers inside our day room here at the fire station. We give them a quick briefing on how the process is going to be run. Then we have firefighters out here waiting for the teachers to come out. We take the bags to their car, load it up in their car so they can take it back to school, give it to the kids. When we're not running 911 emergencies, we're trying to find other ways to give back to the community. And today, it was giving out a couple of thousand backpacks to the schools to make sure these kids have what they need to go to school and succeed.
Enjoy your school year. Have a safe year.